Hello people, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into some Goan goodness and trust me it's going to be spicy, tangy and downright delicious. Today we are making Goan style stuffed squids. Yep, you heard me right, squid. So buckle up because this recipe will have your taste bud dancing. Now I know what you are thinking, squids. Is this really happening? Well, yes, it is. And it's going to be so worth things first. We need to clean our squids. Now we add some salt to make our squids feel all fancy and seasoned. Let it sit for a bit just to let the flavors marinate. Now for the fun part, the stuffing. We are going all in with some classic Goan spices. We need red chili, garlic, onion, tamarind, cinnamon, cloves, sugar, pinch of salt and turmeric. This is going to give us that perfect balance of heat, sweetness and grind it all up. Don't hold back. We want it fine, smooth and ready to bring the just imagine the flavors swirling together. It smells like a Goan festival is here. Now take that glorious spice paste and stuff it into our squid. Make sure you pack it in there. We want every bite to be bursting with flavors. Alright, time to fry. Heat up some oil and drop these beauties in. Fry them till they are golden and crispy. Oh yeah, this is going to be crispy, crunchy and absolutely mouth-watering. Wow, the crunch, the spice, the sweetness. This is a Goan dream right here. You get that perfect balance of heat from the chilies, the tang from tamarind, and a little cinnamon cake. It's just magic. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends. See you next time, and remember, cooking is all about fun and flavor.